Wow. Oh my god.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a new video which we're working back on the Audi A5. Today we're going to be replacing this tiny little spoiler. Tiny one.
That's it.
This one here. It's nice carbon fiber. Yeah, I will get my words out. So plan is we're going to take this one off.
Yep.
Somehow. And then we're going to remove also the badges. This one. And this one, but he wants to keep this one.
Yeah, I want to keep
I say
that.
remove this.
No, nah. No, it has to have the rings on them, man.
Oh, why? Just take it off.
Nah, it just looks.
But then we should get them in black.
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
Maybe the people should comment
if we should black out the rings.
Yeah, have them black or remove it.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that still.
Yeah. But anyway, so we're gonna try and get the old one off.
Yep.
Somehow. It looks like it's gonna come off really easily.
Nah, man, that's gonna need some persuade. The word. What's the word? Yeah. That's the word.
That's the word. Yeah. But it looks like it's coming off anyway. This bit here.
Yeah.
It moves. So yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do with how we're gonna do that, but we're gonna do it today.
Yes, we will.
Even if it's hammer and chisel.
What? That wasn't part of the plan.
Was it not?
No.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So we've got some P38 left. We can just fill in.
Wow,
the
is that what my car is for? Yeah, practicing P38. Jeez.
That's it. Use the bog. It's fine. It's gonna be fine.
Okay, fine.
It's gonna be fine. We'll get it working. Yeah?
Okay, cool. I trust you, mate. I trust you. Better not screw it up.
Yeah, that's cool. Right, let's crack.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, man, that's literally coming off.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Oh my god. I can't lie, guys. Yeah, I thought I was stressing because there was a guy online said nah, he had to heat it up using something, and he used a floss. And look at this. Oh my god.
That needs a bit of heat, that one.
Make sure it doesn't stick back on. Yeah. You're telling me it took you only that much to take it off?
That's it. Oh wait, look.
What's that?
It's just like stuck in.
All
wow,
right.
that's not even like, it wasn't even doing much, that bit there.
Yeah.
Because they just like shoved it there and then it didn't even stick here really.
Yeah.
So that's how it's gonna look.
That looks clean, man.
Shame we didn't get this in
carbon fiber, yeah. Maybe we should.
Now we just use their little M3 tape they give us.
Yes.
And we'll obviously stick it here and here. I say we should clean the car a bit.
Yep.
First.
Okay. Yeah, if you did in one go.
Eventually.
Come on. No, it
Wow.
doesn't want to go on your car, mate. Right, put the old one back on me. So.
Voila.
Is that better for you?
Yes.
All in one?
That's it. Much better.
Right.
Moments later.
So guys, we heated it all up as you saw. We stuck it down. You guys wouldn't have seen that bit. We got distracted by other things. People were out there,
Yeah.
unfortunately asking us stuff. So kind of like cut, and then I didn't want to put it down and then reheat it again. So we just went ahead, stuck it on. It's
Yep.
on. It's nice and lined up equally each side, so it's quite good.
Yes.
But this guy's here is worried that it's going to come off going down the road. Can't guarantee that, you know.
No, I can't. I'm not saying it will come off. I'm just worried about water getting in, the UK weather and the way it's been
I
looked
think it'll be
past.
fine. It's not gonna. It's on.
Okay, that's on now. Okay.
Moving the whole car. But I'll keep pushing down for you, just,
For my satisfaction, yeah?
Yeah.
Jeez.
I've got all of my 8 stone behind it.
Wow. Just don't break it, yeah? Otherwise, you're paying for it.
Yeah, as I was saying,
Yeah.
we'll just paint it black.
Nah. Why do you want to paint the
We
whole
don't
thing
need to
black?
take it off either. We just spray it on now, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. And
Yeah.
then we just get a cloth and
Yeah.
just wipe around the excess. That's it.
No. No.
Why?
Bro, I'd rather get a black badge and just you remove it and put it back
It's
on.
only an Audi. You don't have to be all
Hey,
kinda like,
shut up, bro. Where's
like,
your
oh.
car? Where's your car?
Yeah,
Does it
we have
run?
to talk about our car,
Exactly.
yeah.
Why not? Because it doesn't run.
No, it runs. It just, doesn't need to
Yeah,
come
why is
in
it on the
garage.
channel then?
It doesn't need to come in and have mods. 'cause
Oh,
it's-
yeah, sure.
It's a great car as it is
Oh,
already.
okay, cool.
Why are
Okay.
you dissing my car for? It's not really that.
Why are you dissing my car for like that?
I'm not. I'm trying to
Joking.
improve it. They say, the black makes
Alright,
the car
guys,
faster.
let us know what you guys think down below. We do it in the next episode. Whether
I
we should
think we
paint
should
it black,
just
or
spray
whether
it
we
like
should
this.
get a black badge and just stick it on, or we should just leave it silver because the tailpipes are silver.
No, that's
And
no. No.
yeah, man.
Right, let's take these off.
Yeah, let's take those
We'll
off.
leave the paint somewhere. Easy accessible.
Oh my god.
So we'll take these off now, and this one.
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh, that's for the number plate. I don't know why the previous person just stuck it on.
Melt. Oh wow.
What is that?
Sticky stuff. What do you mean, what is that? It's double-sided tape. What do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know. Paste.
Chewing gum?
Paste. That's a chewing gum. That's what you do a lie on your Mondeo.
I told you not to speak about the car.
Okay,
Yeah?
okay, sure.
That's for the viewers.
Yeah.
Yeah,
sure,
you don't.
Sure.
You leave my Mondeo alone now.
Nah, the Monday is good. We will bring it here very soon to you guys. I hope.
Yeah, of course. That's for another story, for another day.
Okay, if you say so.
Not today.
Wow, I can't even say that right now, but wow. Missing another T, is that what it is, yeah?
We
Alright.
don't have another tea.
No, we don't. Can we handle this with care or like? What is this?
Can we handle with care? I've handled your car with care. You're the one who doesn't handle with care. Look, this is you, yeah?
Fine.
This is you not handling with care.
What is that, bro? What is that?
Well, what is it? I'll show you.
Yeah, there's nothing on the camera. You can't even see on the camera, guys. Can you guys see anything? Nah, exactly. Don't peel it off. Don't peel it off. Don't peel it off. Oh,
See, guys, look. This is him handling with care. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, no, we have to take it off now.
No. Aw.
Yeah, we have to put a new piece on.
Okay, that's fine. You had to ruin it.
No, you said I'm not handling with care, but here you are after, how long was that on there? 2 weeks?
2
3
months,
weeks?
bro. Nah, I think it was the 3rd week after we installed it. Yeah, something like that. Very, very soon.
And then you reverse it and you got parking sensors.
Which don't work.
They do work.
Yeah,
It's just,
yeah. They don't
They
work.
at that point, yeah? You tit.
I have to blur that out now. Great.
Why, you can keep titting.
Can we?
Yeah, you tit, like, you know.
I think as a phrase we can say it, but I don't think it's allowed on YouTube.
Oh, not a lot of things are allowed on YouTube these days. Anyway, right, so now we're going to clean these off
Yes.
somehow.
Maybe the same process.
Yeah, some ISO cleaner. And not those, they didn't really work very well. We're going to go for the scratch remover and then polish them afterwards.
Yeah.
That'd be a good plan. So guys, that's it for today. We have done another little mod on the Audi. So we fitted the carbon fibre spoiler.
Yes.
We have debadged it, not all of it.
We'll see. We'll think
Yet.
about it. Yeah, we'll think about it.
Yeah, so that's it really.
Yeah, things coming really, really close.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think a couple more stuff coming. I think. Yeah.
Yeah, what's some more bits?
Yeah, you just have to wait and see, bro. You just have to wait and see. I'm afraid.
More little bits and bobs. And
Yeah.
hopefully it's done.
That's it.
So guys, that's it. So if you like it, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that little notification bell somewhere around here, wherever it is. I don't know where he's gonna put it.
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.